Are you looking for a mini drone? In this video, I will show you the 5 best mini drones based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the DJI Mini 2 4K drone. DJI Mini 2 is beginner-friendly, powerful, and mini. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Explore an entirely new perspective, capturing the moments that make your life truly yours. The 4th product on the list is the DJI Mavic Mini drone. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, which in many countries may exempt it from certain regulations. Aircraft takeoff weight includes the battery, propellers, and a micro SD card. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. The 3rd product on the list is the Holy Stone 4K drone. Brushless motors run more powerful with much less noise compared to brushed motors, which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Besides, they have a longer lifetime and spare you from motor maintenance. With an air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover stably both indoors and outdoor. The 2nd product on the list is the DJI Spark portable mini drone. Spark is a mini drone that features all DJI's signature technologies, allowing you to seize the moment whenever you feel inspired. With intelligent flight control options, a mechanical gimbal, and a camera with incredible image quality, Spark empowers you to push your creative boundaries. Quick launch with Face Aware, Spark lifts off from your hand by recognizing your face. It takes off and hovers in place within seconds of powering on. Simple control: take amazing aerial photos using just hand gestures, without a remote controller or mobile device. The 1st product on the list is the Femi X8 GPS drone. It combines a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms, bringing in ultra-smooth and jello-free videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. High dynamic range video support. An impressive flight time of up to 35 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. 3x digital zoom camera, obstacle sensing in 3 directions, makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Femi X8 2020. Positioning system ensures more precise hovering and faster positioning. With the powerful visual tracking system, the drone can precisely lock the target with more powerful flight planning shooting. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.